guse obusoni bw'ekyanga n'ebintu aho abo ase bali na mbeyemo asogotwara kimoshen ekikerero n'ebinge nkwegeliye bale amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigo nkwegeliye bale igorya pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yende amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwata chi computer n'ebintu ebinge by'okwegelya ICT gwetania skuru ende yonse era sorogongoro iga
asama lietankuru kwa Alpato Maliba mwalimu omonene ogetwebe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire bya sana asogotwa institution yegocha saya aseng'encho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cy'obufundi nabo boliri moleta abana bochese skuru linde banyore system cy'obufundi byamo
boigon kwegelia bale electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegelia igorye chinguru cy'omuriro bwestima na kubeka chinguru ekyo ase emeche n'eki company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management nigo bakora chikosi eki ase ebiringo bya artsan use short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikoromono mbayitiri ne wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegeligwa inchobono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate no mumurore usino mweseke gitwebe Technical Training Institute nikikotoka kilomita eyemoyoka kurasomochi omogwawa asepare nene yilami yakoro ikonge kogenda chebera
inche Kennedy Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student, Getwebe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretiro mwana wa Getwebe security gere guarantee. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments togoso. Na yonyolire kwaletiro mwana atware skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300 Gitebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Mancho morigereri cheri tukeliga lialero olia echuma chitariki kianda omo tienyi omo tangani mwaka bwechibwe na 2025 nomo ne aikene kionga chinsenya senchira yo boikera no chani gongoro kwa Haruni Ototo Nyaingiri na mancho morigereri kionga chinsenya ni gotoko chakana mangana ya matemu manene a KCSE ayonya kabaga soki wali tuko lialero no mwasiri Julius Migos Ogamba korwa ase skuru yamo ime ye mochie Eldoret county ya Uasin Gishu amwatemo yonya takabaga wikaranswa na aborokia gose aborokigwa ange emilione yamo nganya takabaga gosinganya kabaga soka ase aborokigwa 270,000 banyaka bakwanekiwa gweta amatemo ayo gosukira ebirengo biri byokogenda university kire C+ kurwa se county ya Nyamira omolikito Paul Kabokara nigatalda skuru zanya kabaga twarganira orobotiro kubwatiana na mono igore skuru ya Sironga yonya kabaga koira abana gwetania eribwe yamo gose abana gwetania eribwe yamo bagokole buya goika konyora grade kalige koraba nyodere libaga ase university
watemo kuiga kumwa kuyo iga kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo kwaretire musasoko na nene gochase cheskuru imeye skuru ya Getare Mixed imeye bunge yiga ya North Mogrango nigo yanyalire ko bagekuira abana goika 15 batatu ase university inyerekana nge skuru ya iga nigo ere ase ekerengo gense kiande gekomi
frasinto bwadi esi manasno mano itakolere
namo n'abarimu amo n'abayobozi b'esukuru ya iga nigo batebire ase amatuko amatambe nigo bagendere ko bagochaywa kurende nigo baorokire omogokobo igoro ya matoke amaya y'omwaka oyiga
kure yachagitire inse mono mochama niga uno mwalimu nchonga teba yarenge inse eko abana bachite university yangu babirenga kiende naende limo babire batatu lakini this is the time twanyolera abana ange 20 batogende university aso umuki bakorire amono umuki wekenyura
omwana one nakorete amatebo etire akakimbwata omogoko inachayire naigure buya esukuru yaito yakorire buya moto teberio maye mupia tarengererie atoe basi na intwe
imeye bunge ya West Mogrango esukuru y'abanyaruka ya Sironga Girls nigo yagendere ko bagegokoria buya omwaka oyiga ase yaira abana wetanya eliwe ya mogo cha ase university kulingana muno mwalimu munene w'esukuru y'Igasireta Jane Nyanumba nigaorukire omogokobo na kubwatuka obosemia aria bagendere ko bagokora nabo igone kikirete barabuka abanyene okoria buya omwaka oyiga
generally abana baitu bakwenda university direct igo bari libweyemo ne 55 na batano omo ogo ito kukurukwa 94.66%. Yente tanga ni monyore ni school yega is 7-day Adventist sponsored and for that reason for everything tokora atokumutanga ni saa yente bya kabiri a board of management tia tokeche kwa in place is school yega igo bako abalimu n'abana na kilo muntu maximum support abayobora baito batukonya tuka-implement the program cyarenga kugendera even throughout the weekend batari complain n'abarimu baito abaroro barimia na 21 bonse bakiru kuche skuru paka chinsa cyabo tukona mambo mono
kurende ase entunde ntangani eskuri amanyekanite buna otanyore ELCK eyo ase entunde ntangani eyo yakoretwo gotemo kwaye gwa KCS iyo gotangani kurwa ase skuru yiga nigo yerira abana gwike 45 na babere ase university inyerekane buna eskuru yiga ningeta bwatie birasi ase tugwika ase skuru yiga tukumirana amo n'abalimu n'abayobori bali no mucengo munene
tanyore reri yiga rwakora akamakambura agendai asaba twakande university eri togoteba
nasomire skuru ekor form 1 mpaka bono naikire form 4 kor form 1 ketwabate birasi twasabitire urari twengosoma bagache bagabani bito bakabekerani bagatwagatire birasi by'amabati ne bitwasomire na twasomire ga na twasomire ga gocha mpaka bino twasaba gukora amatemo konya banafunzi bari gukora amatemo bagakorera skuru ekoroku omosasa skuru eyito tebwatira togokorera practical etware kogenda twasabe bintu bostwanda twashikokorera skuru chindi chi practical yendo yakabira skuru etebwati bari mu baisaine
asaba mubojo mujumbe bworogongorego muske Steve Mugaka kwani kibunango talirale skuru yiga elio inyariko bagekwemuke wigoro buna chi skuru chinde
lakini omwaka oyo ntwagorita apparatus nkeigo bane twarokora practicals chitu kurese class tubwatu muchando monene mo especially aso kumika kwa bandi birasimi abo twabeta promised na Safaricom Foundation inga netwagachire birasi kuri omwaka ori term 2 but ba approve kiregento twaganyerere batwagachire lakini bado nturakumwa
twarengote MP MCS bakonye bagachira abana babande na barubwe birasi erinde banyora amasingira maya basome buno chiskuru chile
kwa Martin Felix Obo difanya mtemke kutoka katika shule ya Utanyora nipatika kupata grade ya B- na tunaomba viongozi wetu wasaidie shule waweze kutengeneza madarasa ya kutosha pamoja na walimu wengine watongoze walimu.
Kuripoti ligetasini kia wanjite kia gatembe kuregemeye kaunti ya Nyamira inche konguru kwa Polycarp Okara
na mwancho murigere kurwase bunge ya Gitutu Chache South gati ya skuru chiria nyako bachigo koria buja niko cha nyako bachikoro ke mogoko asaba bwatani we skuru chiba kora wana balimu banene besokia na gukwanira amatemo ajwa amanene yo nyako bagasoka ritukoria lero munagotubunye murikito Dipon Asanya
Nirituko ryagokeirwe na bange maega yokubwatukwa kwa machibu ya matemo manene ya KCSE yo mwaka era chingaki eskuru ya Riotero aso mwaka bw'ichiri 2024 bairete omorokyo nyomo ase university kurende ni gobono yeranire asamariko y'ebitabu byabo chingaki bairire aborokigwa 23 asentunde ntangani.
Asa abana 126 ntobwata abana 23 direct entry to university. So mwaka uria igo twajagerete nsake ntwabwate C+ ntwakagerete gukora bia mono lakini ntwegete korengane kiwange
my expectation I expected to score an A+, but I have scored a B+, and my dream was to pursue a medical course. If I can do a medical course, I will be very grateful.
Nonyinabo ase skuru ya baiseke ya Nyabururu National yogotoke bunge ya Kitutu Chache South. Boigo bagokeire mini grade ya 8.8 yeye boigo ya soire ase chirekodi chebitabu asentunde yeiga gokoria buya mono.
This year, out of 505, direct university qualifying candidature is 462. From 8.3 last year, we are at 8.8. Thank you so much. So far is the highest in the recent past.
Gotigara imeje sub-county ya Kitutu Central. Skuru ye secondary ya St. Patrick's Mosocho Ejiboigere Day School. Nigo ya nyara kuira aborokiwe mieje mona batatu ase university. Asiboigo skuru ya Bright Star nero jago keire kuira bana 21 ingana boigo yarorekana kuchengerwa ne skuru ya Sister Mikaira asogo korobia.
Ba mega C+ and above wale emie mona batatu. Bakine tukuru mwaka ulio etete barenge emerongo kianda na batano. Ngo turojenga nguju stoko nya kogenda. Ngo to sabatu bwatrane abali bo stoko kolega sia school. Tagende ko teba ya tete kubwate kana no kubwatrana kwa balimu abakoligas kuna na tigire ko teba ne community ne kamati ndi the school.
My name is Dennis Omari from Bright Salvation High School. We are delighted and overwhelmed by the good performance of last year's candidates. Actually, we managed 21 student to university, being the last student 4 with a difference. So we thank God for the good performance. And actually, we had a positive deviation. Last year we had a mean of 6.1. We have moved to 6.5. So it's a plus.
Gutigara ime yetaro yokurigereria amachiwa ya soka ya matemwa manene nigo gati ya baibori barorekanire bakogokera ukokora buya gwa baroki wa somwako yo
yani ngoro kwa Johnson Maketo yonde PHI skure tumeshukuru sana gande to wakire mbiemo na singencho abantu bakoromokia na kubwa mono abana baito bakoromoki baitira somwako yoga
skuru yani aliotero ende PHI skuru njege ndonaje ko congratulate abarimu baitu abarimu baita batwaro mukia sabana abana baitu batwara matoke ya maya
to wakire ni principal to mbiamo no asengencho yerure nabo igone staff yae bakoromokia abana baitu baitira kimogoteba
maiga yugusangana babwatani bechu skuru aho nigo batebiro gokora buyani gokogocha asoko bane chimbo chingia ogokoromokia nabo igo kubwaterana gati ya baiboli nabo igo aborokia. Kuripotiri kitaseni kia ukia gatembe kuroiga si bunge ya Kitutu Chache South elia nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Mwancho murikere tutigarete ase amangana ya matemu ayua a KCSE kurua se county ya Nyamira stokwera na gwikase county ya Nyamira nigo murikete fatika Disemba na ratarira igatie skuru ime county ya Juana mano kurua se bunge ya North Mugirango na gutwala ndio roboti rokobwatia.
Oyo no mochengo bo koria buya asama tema amanene a KCSE ayo amachibu abwatu kwari tukoria rero kurwase skuru ya sekondari ya bamura ya Ikonge eye gutoka emeye ward ya Ekerenyo nigo aborokiwa 54 kurwase aborokiwa emya eyemo abwo bakorete ogotemwa uko nigo banyoreri bagari ogoswa university heyemo aseyemo.
We have B plus are 12 students, B are 16 students, B minus 22 students, C plus 24. We were still sending our results, and we believe that by the end of today we'll have all our results. But automatically the mean has gone up. Last year we had a mean of 6.1. So the teachers went out of their way to give us these great results that we are celebrating today. The students themselves during the exams were composed and they were focused. And that is why when the results came, we were not surprised. We were happy because God granted them their wish. Our prayer is that this year's candidate do us better. We pray to take 90% to the university.
Wikase skuru ya sekondari ya Busiango eye gutoka emeye ward ya Bugichora nigo omogoko boigo ogenderera koenekiwa maiga ya borokiwa emya eyemo na 53 kurwase aborokiwa emya eyemo na 92 konyora egrade kya C+ gochigoro egento kyanyara koenekia puna eskuru eyeiga ya Busiango nigo yanyare gokinia ebirengo byemin kurwa asomwa koyo mogucha oyonde emyaka 5 bono yaetire asentundeye barigetie emin ya 52 ne chinukuta 52
igo bono ase emyaka yonsi ipi koru 2020 ntwana gocha emini ya piro C+ eyiye wanzera 6.67 nyasaye bona akorete egekone goto emini ya 7.781 omwana bw'omwerio gabwate C- abubara abana babiri boka babwate C-. Abana bande bonsi ipi igo bachiete C+ and above. Percentage pass yere 82.741%. Igo tokorete 882% pass. Inere percentage.
No mwerio ye nigo aborokiwa emya eyemo na 55 noyomo kurwase skuru ya Makairo banyorire ribagario goswa chi university kurwase aborokiwa emya eyemo na 95 noyomo abo bakorete amatemwa yo inganonya eskuru eye omorokiwa omutangani konyora grade kya A- nigo omokonyi bwo mwarimu omonene aserieta Kennedy Obutu nigo atebire kirenga kyabo nigo kyarenge puna aborokigwa bonsi abo barigetie bachigokora matemwa yaiga bachiye gosoa ase chu university.
According to the plans we had, we expected 100% transition because we had very good students, the parents were cooperative and the teachers were devoted, and indeed it was a shock that 30 never went to university because we wanted and we had anticipated to take 100%.
Okumotangana nyasaye bosio okubwatirana okuyabuna abaibori aborokiwa na boigo aborokia nakyo kyagerire amachibu ayigama ya konyorekana
okumusaba nyasaye kiri sabato no tole kanisa ime tukurangiria abapasta baje gusabira abana aba twarangiria guidance and counseling team yacha yaba guide na kuba council motivational speakers baje baba live experiences nga naki ogokora okuya gusoko nyora kigrade kingia samatemwa kira chenji obugima bwabo na barongo b'abantu basenze.
Hiko ripota Gatembe koraigase county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Yesemba.
Mwancho muri kirabo toka no mutima kwa mukego tokwira na tunyara kota kugendera na mange igoro ya matemo anyara kobaga gosoka na mono chingwa na kurwese egati ya balimu abanne b'isukuru aho kurwase ebunge yabo basi nabaga ebunge ya abo machoge.
Esa marieta ankoro kwa Benista Marongo Bobe ninje principal ya Karoka Technical college gutoka Nyaribari Masaba eso mwesimiwa Hak Daniel Mandu wa Kongosa tigangire libageri so wakira baibori baitombi yamone soko nyara gotoa bana na gutwara ukwegena amangana activate we are very friendly ese amangana fees payment egekogera serikali ngo bakonyera abana gwetera chinjera hawa wao entangani neria constituent development fund that is CDF esoko gendeza constituency yao twakurikira rirube banya kubwato bulemeru banyara gwaka na part of your fees elia kabere elipungo era abana baito chironi ekogerene government institution nko egubale first priority bae uchironi bagosomera elia gatatu kare kupsia tumira marieta uchi serikali nko ba scholarships and capitation abana bagonyara gosomera igo listen teyo abana baito bamwene takobera ngamune fees ya buli tubwate various courses ndobwate agriculture ndobwate electrical and electronics ndobwate automotive that's mechanical engineering yebwate sections ndobwate building or diploma arts and ndobwate ne chinyinge chirijiko ba Harvard in any institution igo bono nare kwa appeal abaiboli bareta abana banyare ko babago trainingwa egeko garanto bwato bumanyi kosomia abana baitu ko bariga ni monyare kutoretera abana ina wa January intake because negenderete umwana igotakorete document cha mapema obukiribaga in advance tap kwanyaliri jinga kichwa mwali kwanyoranga rere serikali yako na neji portal so it's good moja for admissions ya January mapema.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV subscribe comment ase chi video chito boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekenge Edio onyari kubagoko ya nyora chingaki abikiri ase umtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kia mamogusie.
Manchomo ligerelie karibu nanda sinsemo ya kabiri ya kionga chinsa inye togandate koligerelia igoro ya matem ayonya kabaga gosoka tukolera rwa KCSE anya kabaga kobwato kwa bene no mwasiri wechisemi musike Julius Migoso gamba kurwa chinsemo chia Mochibel Daret county ya Uasin Gishu nigo igati ya balimu barine gotichi principal kurwa se bunge ya machoge na boigo eri ya babasi na babaso kena gukonera amatemu ayo ase chisukuru cyabo ase banyaka bakogokwa gose bakogokera amachibu ya matemu ayo.
We were able to get one A plane, 74 A minus, 188 B plus, 300 Bs, 161 B minus, C plus 32, C plane 4, and C minus 1. We managed a mean of 9.1235, which is an improvement of the from the previous mean of the year 2024 of 9.099. So there is a slight improvement, and we are really very happy.
The 2025 KCSE exams. Unfortunately, we didn't record any of the A's. We didn't record also a B+, but we started with 31 students getting a grade B plane, and then we had 122 students getting a grade B minus. We also had 62 students getting a grade C plane. we had 14 students getting a C, 62 getting C+, and then we had 14 getting C plain, and then we had the last students were 2 students who got grade C-. Now that translates to 215 students who have gotten a mean grade C+ and above. That translates to 93% transition. Now this has come down from last year. Last year we started with a grade A-, 5 of them. Then we also had a couple of B+. We were very hopeful that we were going to get grade A's, but unfortunately that was not to be. But still we want to say this is a very strong performance for such a school, because this is basically a C4 school with a 93% transition, and I think we are contributing positively to the growth of our universities, because we take a lot of students to university. Taking 215 students to university is no mean feat out of 231. So out of the total registration of the students in this school, only 16 students are not going to university.
Mwaka oeta 2025 itapata bana 236. Out of bana 236, abana 219, representing 92.8% Panyola C+ and above. Maja Kelachi A- Isato B+ 24, B 55, B- 77, C+ 60, C 16, and one candidate Onyora C-. It's the first time in history of this school to get an A-. In 2024, our mean was 6.9, meaning we had a deviation of 1.123. We get a school ya Musula na nyote na tumirwa jabuno mwalimu mwana school ya Mukubo. Na nyote nga SMN ya pwatu kwa nuko wa segeta abana.
Tupata abana zaidi ya 150 hapo waende university. Aende na wao tupata baba ni sana no mye kiaga abana 15 na batara university. Tuna watu wake na msambi yaman asara bayoli abana babo baitwa balende kale babo jaza bagende regisena tinande bagende Kenya. So isimbia tole nto sana atobonye bagende ko improve facility.
Na mwancho muligere gukorera eskuru yo mobili secondary school gotoka se ward ya Wekanga bunge ya South Mugrango nigo yaba segati skuru chitianya bwachika kolya uja se skuru yu yanyara kubage koira abana emyeyamo na 20 ase university gose ogotaba buna abana emyeyamo na 20 na babanya kabakanyora grade getandite C+ gocha igoro na tokorora roboti uraseme.
Take this opportunity to really thank our God because of this far. We have really made it. It was a good deviation. Having a positive of 1+ is not a joke. Our students have really worked hard, smart. They have tried their level best to give us a very good mean of 7.763. So we really appreciate that God has assisted us, has enabled us to be to this point. So we take this opportunity to thank our principal, our teachers who coordinated with the students, even the school community who assisted the students, who gave them ample time to this far. We really thank all those who assisted us to reach this far. So we encourage these other students to really work to make sure that they have made it. So we take this opportunity to say again, thank you. About the breakdown Our school mean was 7.763. Our mean last year, the other year, that is 2024, was 6.1. So we had a positive deviation of 1.663, and our university direct entry was 128 out of 160, and that made a pass of 80%. So we take this opportunity to really say thank you.
Jina ni Sofia Kerubo na nilifanya na nilifaulu nikapita. Namshukuru Mungu.
Kwa majina ni Naomi Kwamboka Onkend. Nilifanya kutoka Omobile Secondary School na
Manje muri gwikira buno tugukorera mangana mayiye kionga chinsa inye obotuko obwa arero konyere tu na njiro ya mabona bugate omwirio no ikaransta matema yu serieta da makrin kerbo preacher nero nyaite kabaga konyora grade ge kumara oko joinia university kuja kasoma konde ere amana bonse banyaka bagikaransa ase amatema yu KCSE kugenga congratulations ase ogotema goika ase mwigete mwensi ase obwamo Mwanti muligere nchiri ngor kwa rono toto nyangiri kuranse memenyere ngo to waternere Wilson Makol kuranse maton tushaniga kor kwa Dijatsen ose Kevin Ongeri kendo to rubuli buye miyaga Tembe TV kyonga kyamusi boygo mutwara utkobe
Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ikurwa